this watch is something special. In a world dominated by the insane prices of certain Swiss steel sports watches, a small brand has dared to show what's possible for a fraction of the cost. This is the recently released Formex Essence ThirtyNine, the smallest size in the Essence collection and the latest watch to feature their reimagined branding, as well as being the first new watch to truly make me excited about wearing it in a long time. The 39 comes with the same detail as the original Essence model, such as a COSC certified movement and the unique construction characteristics which are a trademark of Formex. The new watch is the second offering from the brand following the Reef, to bear the new more sophisticated logo, and it is currently available in 5 distinct colour options. However, I will be focusing on the blue version during this video as that's my personal favourite. The horizontal lines in the dial are one of the watch's most defining features. These are standard on the 39, but were only available on some of the 43mm versions before. To achieve the crisp lines and sharp angles, each line has been individually CNC machined one by one, and most of the dials have had a vertically brushed treatment after. This metallic finish of the dials really helps them catch light in unique ways and perfectly complements the very engineered look of the watch. The hands and hour markers are matching with their 3-face design, with sharp polished chamfers. The finish on these are extremely crisp for the price point, and would even rival the best of dials in this category. Formex CEO, Rafael Granito, said, "We didn't just want to make the Essence smaller, we wanted to make it better. We added the new logic, and now match the colour of the date wheel to the dial, and increase the filling depth of the Super-LumiNova to ensure even better legibility at night. And also we've experimented with different dial colours. And by popular demand, we now use the new deployment class with the patented gradual fine adjustment for the leather straps." Formex have even decided to use a chronometer grade movement for this watch. Each one of these movements is certified by the COSC, which is the official Swiss Chronometer Testing Institute, and undergoes the meticulous 15-day rate test to ensure extraordinary levels of mechanical accuracy and precision. Each certified chronometer is unique, identified by a number engraved on its movement, and a certificate number issued by the COSC. While less than 3% of Swiss watch movements are officially certified, Formex further rate tests them per the same criteria after assembly, to measure if there is any deviation from the certification rates. The case is delicately brushed overall with perfectly rounded off hand-finished mirror-polished bevels, which continue throughout the design, such as on the bracelet and clasp, which even matches to the chamfer details of the hands and hour markers. The ultra-crisp finishing is one of the standout features of this watch, and I think would easily rival watches that cost even up to 2 to 4 times more. When opening up the case back, you are presented with their patented case suspension system, and it's clear to see how well machined this watch is. Actually, after looking at this watch in great detail, there is only one thing that I would change. I think that the new logo on the crown would look better being slightly smaller and embossed rather than etched, as even though the etching is crisp, it doesn't really match the rest of the ultra perfectly detailed look of the watch to me. I'll include a mock-up in the video so you can see what I mean. On the wrist, the Essence 39 is extremely comfortable. The large brushed surfaces give it a lot of presence, but at the same time it feels quite sleek thanks to the 10mm case thickness and perfectly fitting strap. The case suspension system is not very noticeable, but you can tell it helps with comfort when bending your wrist to odd angles, as well as the peace of mind knowing that it's there to aid the shock resistance. Although my favourite feature on this watch is easily the quick half-link adjustment, something that I have always enjoyed on the newer Rolex bracelets, which is practically indispensable during the summer months when your wrist size can fluctuate so much throughout the day. It is truly surprising to see such an innovative and well-executed bracelet at this price point, especially when combined with the chronometer grade movement and other patented technology. For me, this is a watch that has just got it right. It really is the complete package for someone looking for a versatile everyday sports watch with a smart touch, and this may just find its way into my personal collection. Thanks for watching this quick look into the Formex Essence 39. We'd love to hear what you think of this range in the comments below, as well as if there are any of the other dial versions you'd like me to look at in more detail. Links to these watches will be posted in the description below, as well as in a pinned comment. Cheers.